Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2017 Toyota Tacoma. This four-door, five-passenger truck still has less than 90,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and the 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a rear step bumper, and much more. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.